Hi, fantastic morning.
Hi, fantastic morning.
Hi, fantastic morning.
Clear po ba?
Ay, fantastic.
Clear po ba?
Hi, fantastic morning.
Yes, okay.
Fantastic morning.
Type 1 po kung naririnig po ninyo ang aking audio. Hello? Clear po ba?
Yes po.
Yes. Thank you. Okay.
Nakamute ka.
Yan. Hi, fantastic morning sa lahat. Naririnig niyo po ba?
Yes po.
Okay.
Yes
So,
po,
welcome
yes.
to iFantastic Revolutionary Business Advantage presentation. Kung naririnig nyo po ito, type 1 lang po. Maraming salamat. So, dito po natin malalaman ang about the iFern and why siya ang pinakamagandang simulan na business sa panahong ito. Okay, you will learn about the products and kung paano kikita dito kahit nasa bahay ka, sa FB lang at sa Zoom lang. Ako po pala si Maria Riorita Domingo Molina, 20 years na pong OFW and at the same time business owner sa PH. Travel consultant po dito sa UAE. Ayan. So, bago pa lang po ako dito sa iFern, pero nagsisimula na po akong kumita. And very excited na maging parehas ko po ang mga iniidolo ko, ang mga lodi ko na kumikita na po ng sobrang laki sa iFern. Yan, tulad po ng mga tao na magpapaliwanag ng business sa inyo ngayon. Pero syempre, ito po, konting house rules lang po tayo. Una po, while presentation is ongoing, keep on your mic mute. Ayan. Pangalawa, reserve all your questions po. Reserve all your questions and list them down. Ito po. You will sure entertain them after ng presentation natin. And keep an open mind and open heart para hindi po natin masasayang no sa pag-attend natin dito. So, andito na rin po tayo. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Okay. So, welcome po sa ating mga mahal na viewers. So, ilan po ang viewers natin ngayon? Meron po tayong 24 million. Yes! Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. Andito po tayong lahat ngayon. Okay. So, ipapakilala ko na po sa inyo ang totoong ibig sabihin ng success and prosperity, no? Kasama po natin ngayon si Attorney Mary Grace Mapa, isang abogado at professor sa Philippine Law. At isa din po siyang top distributor sa iFern, ang magpe-present ng isang Filipino network marketing company na walang ibang makatalo sa industriya. Hindi lang yan, mabibighani din tayo kay Dr. Paul Anthony Gorgonia, ang kilalang surgeon sa Eastern Visayas at si Miss Maika Bastes, isang 17-year-old millionaire entrepreneur student at field vice president ng iFern at ipapakita nila ang world-class products natin na dumaan sa mainam na pagsusuri na talagang nakapagpaganda sa mga kalusugan at katawan ng libo-libong katao. Mula sa pinakamagandang vitamins hanggang sa katangi-tanging beauty products, laging hinahanap-hanap ng mga customers worldwide. humanda din kayo sa opportunity of a lifetime, isang sobrang generous na compensation plan na ipipresenta ni Miss MG Garcia, ang incoming presidential director at multi-millionaire, dating project manager sa isang pharmaceutical company at nagmamay-ari ng luxury brands na Rolex, LV at Mini Cooper. Naniniwalang ang kumpanyang ito sa pagtaas ng empower ng mga distributors at nire-reward sila para sa kanilang hard work and dedication sa pagkuha nila ng mga pangarap. So, presenting iFern's Revolutionary Business Advantage, sit back and enjoy.
iFerntastic morning! Welcome to iFern's Revolutionary Business Advantage presentation. Today, we'll be taking a look at iFern. You will learn all about the company, products, and how you can increase your cash flow while staying at home using Zoom, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms.
iFerntastic morning! I am Attorney Mary Gracie Mapa, your iFern's Attorney Mompreneur. I have the honor to walk you through today the profile of our company, iFern Corporation. iFern Corporation is International Filipino Entrepreneurs Resources Network. It has been in the multi-level marketing and direct selling industry for more than 18 years. It is a 2 billion peso company, the maker of Fern C, the #1 sodium ascorbate non-acidic vitamin C, now distributed in pharmacies nationwide. All throughout its operation, it has produced hundreds of self-made millionaires and multi-millionaires. iFern Corporation has its own building at the heart of Ortigas Center, Pasig City. It has 2 warehouses where our products are being Kongwei, owner of Cebu Pacific and Robinsons, Mr. Tony Tancachong, owner of Jollibee, Mang Inasal, Chowking, and Red Ribbon. He was awarded as the People of the Year 2021 and was chosen as the front cover of the December 2020 issue of the Stargate People Asia magazine. He was also featured in Chinoy TV, One Mega, and the Manila Times, and the most recent is the Lifestyle Asia magazine. Our products are multi-awarded and was awarded Brand of the Year 2019, 2020, 2021, and 2022, completing the Grand Slam in Vitamins and Supplements category of the World Branding Awards, together with the best global and national brands from various industries. Remember, big brands partner only with big brands. Our strategic partnership with top-tier brands have helped to establish our company as a significant player and leader in the industry. We have collaboration with SM and Bello Medical Group, VIP in Louis Vuitton and Fendi, brand partners with Jordan Manila, Petron, Tessera Jewelries, Samsung, and Frutas. Our partnership with Katz Motors Incorporated gave birth to iFern Mercedes-Benz Boys and Girls Club. Our partnership with Auto Hub Group Mini Cooper gave birth to iFern Mini Ladies Club, a prestigious group of empowered and successful women in iFern. That's it. With the company's undisputed track record and credibility, it is committed on its mission of sharing prosperity globally through entrepreneurship.
With the company's core principle of spreading good health and genuine prosperity, let us now take a peek to iFern's world-class and highly effective products.
Fantastic morning. I am Doc Paul Anthony Gorgonia, a medical doctor and an iFern distributor. It is with pride to present to you the world-class and highly effective products of iFern Corporation. We have 15 world-class products that we are introducing to the market locally and globally. These products have been categorized into two. First, our highly effective vitamins and supplements, and secondly, our wellness and essential product. Now let me walk you through to our well-recommended vitamins and supplements. These products are from the world's leading suppliers of vitamins, and that is DSM in Switzerland, Glanbia Nutritionals in USA, and Gelita of Germany. All of these have been given all the necessary seals of approval: FDA, World Branding Awards, Halal Seal, TrueCal, and Quali Seals. These products are listed and can be found in the MIMS Drug Reference, a comprehensive database of medicines which provides trusted and relevant clinical information for over millions of healthcare professionals in the world. First off is our flagship product, Fern D. This is our vitamin D supplement cholecalciferol, which is responsible for proper metabolic function of all our vital organs. It is your daily dose of sunshine, even without the sun. It strengthens the bones and muscles, boosts immunity, reduces the risks of falls and fractures, good for the heart, and well recommended for all ages. Vitamin D3 prevents and treats osteoporosis, heart disease, cancer, autoimmune diseases, depression, insomnia, arthritis, diabetes, chronic pain, psoriasis, fibromyalgia, and as well as other diseases, chronic conditions, and mild ailments. Next, we have Fern Active. It has Fern C, zinc, and vitamin B complex. Combined together, this can help increase energy levels for active lifestyle, boosts immune system, and enhance mental alertness. Then, we also have Milka. Milka is the only calcium supplement in the world made from pure cow's milk, because the calcium in the market is called calcium carbonate, and calcium carbonate is made from crushed rocks or crushed seashells, while ours, a milk calcium complex. It contains TrueCal, calcium from real milk, that is easily absorbed for optimum bone health and can be taken by people with lactose intolerance. Milka prevents osteoporosis. Then, we have FernFlex. It is under Nature Type 2 Collagen, a joint health supplement that rejuvenates your tendons, ligaments, and joints. It helps reduce pain caused by osteoarthritis, reduces inflammation in the joints, and assists the body in rebuilding joint cartilage. Next is F-Collagen. It provides both type 1 and type 2 collagen to replenish and sustain collagen levels, not only in the skin, nails, bones, and hair, but also in the muscles, blood vessels, and intestines and bone marrow, thus helping the whole body cope better with the natural aging process. If there is a will to look youthful, F-Collagen is the way. We also have ZeroCol, a 100% natural dietary supplement containing high concentration of plant sterols that are clinically proven to lower cholesterol levels when consumed as part of a healthy diet. It works by partially blocking the uptake of cholesterol in the gut. Then, we have Fern E. Fern E is our vitamin E sourced from sunflower oil, a powerful antioxidant that protects the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals and environmental stressors. So, there you have it. Those are our highly effective vitamins and supplements from iFern Corporation.
Thank you so much, Doc Paul. I am Micah Bastes, your iFern studentpreneur, and I am proud to present to you our line of wellness and essential skincare, and beauty products. We have Aurora Beauty lines. First off, our Aurora Beauty Bar and Hand and Body Lotion. It has AAA age-defying ingredients, which sets us apart from the market. It has argan oil, Swiss apple stem cell, and aloe vera. It is rich in vitamin A and E and packed with antioxidants and lessens the visibility of stretch marks and preserves the youthful look and the vitality of your skin. We also have Aurora Day and Night Cream, Eye Cream, and Revitalizing Serum. These products contain stabilized vitamin C, starflower oil, dual UV filters, and vitamin B3 to whiten skin and help reduce fine lines, making skin look younger. Nakaka-lift talaga ng skin without going through the expensive and painful procedure of Botox. Then, our most successful product is Silver Fresh. It's the first toothpaste in the Philippines to use silver ion technology that helps prevent the growth of bacteria in the mouth. It has zinc lactate and vitamin E, which acts as natural moisturizer after every brush. Most toothpaste use ingredients that are cancer-causing and autoimmune disease-causing. Our product is all natural. It's chemical-free. And if you're a coffee lover, Fern Coffee is the best for you. Fern Coffee is your healthier 3-in-1 coffee mix that really tastes good. It's coffeeliciously healthy with vitamin C, vitamin B1, D3, calcium, and zinc. Nagkape ka na, healthy ka pa. So, that's it. The very heart of iFern Corporation is bringing world-class quality health and wellness products to everyone at a very affordable price.
Sa likod ng magandang produkto, may magandang kitaan. Para ipaalam sa atin kung paano kikita at yayaman sa iFern to provide the revolutionary business opportunity, we have here our Jordan Hypebeast Club member, Louis Vuitton Club member, Car Club member, Rolex Club member, Luxury Car Club member, Consistent Top Distributor, and Millionaires Club member, the mother of Team Pinakusog, MJ Garcia.
iFerntastic morning! Sige, pag-usapan natin how to be an iFern distributor. You just need to purchase the Premium Plus package for 66,500 pesos. Ngayon, bago natin ituloy, I just wanna inform you that you have smaller packages you can choose from. Kung gusto mo lang naman ng lifetime discount o magbenta-benta, you can do that for as low as 9,500 pesos. Pero, kung gusto mo namang kumita at umasenso ng mabilis, pumili ka ng aliman sa mga packages na ito, the Premium Plus package or the Family package. What are the package inclusions for the Premium Plus package? Simple. Number 1, you will receive a product return of more than 100%, giving you more value for your money. Number 2, you get 7 accounts under your name. So 7 times bigger and faster kang kikita. Lifetime membership, lifetime discount, sign-up bonus of 6,000 pesos. Online business suite with your own username and password. Free 200,000 personal accident insurance, valid of course for 1 year from registration. Another freebie, 20,000 medical reimbursement accidental insurance, valid also for 1 year from registration. And of course, 6 na paraan kung paano ka kikita or 6 ways to earn. Yes, you heard that right. 6 ways to earn. Number 1 is the retail sales. You can now enjoy up to 27 to 163% profit pag ikaw ay distributor na. Sample, meron kang Fern D. Pag nabenta mo si Fern D at retail price of 680 pesos, ang distributor's price niya o ang bili mo lang sa iFern ay 430 pesos. Then the retail profit or discount would be 250 pesos. Magandang kita. Number 2, the Fast Start Commission. You'll earn a direct profit of 3,500 for every referral who will also purchase the Premium Plus package. Basta invite mo, sa'yo ang 3,500 na yon. You can have as many directs as you want. At ang good news, meron tayong online payment system, pinagaan, pinadali ang pag-purchase ng mga packages. You can use your credit card with Visa, American Express, or MasterCard, or choose from a range of payment options like GCash, EasyPay, DragonPay, and 7-Eleven. We also accept payments through Cebuana and SM Bills Payment. Number 3, you will get the team sales commission. You can multiply your income exponentially when you create a team of distributors under you. The good news is, with the Premium Plus package, you can follow the Get 4 program. Ano yung Get 4 program? When you purchase the Premium Plus package, you will earn a sign-up bonus of 6,000 pesos. Remember? Meron ka agad kita. Wala ka pang ginagawa. Ito ang maganda. When you get 4 direct downlines who will also purchase the Premium Plus package, ginaya ka? You will be earning a total of 14,000 pesos from the Fast Start Commission. Remember? Ito ang good news dahil sa Team Sales Commission, may kasama pang 28,800 pesos for a total of 48,800 pesos ROI. Grabe, di ba? Balik agad ang puhunan without selling a single bottle of our products. Ito ang matindi. Pag ang 4 na direct downlines mo, natulungan mo ding makabawi by helping them get 4 downlines each, which will be your second level downlines, you will be earning another 145,600 pesos. Grabe. Paano naman kung sila naman ang natulungan ninyong makabawi, which completes your third level downlines? You, as their uplines, will be earning again around 500,000 pesos. And it doesn't stop there. You can continue building your team and earning commission from your 4th, 5th, and 6th level downlines. Now you know why there are so many distributors in iFern who are earning millions every month. For more technical details, we invite you to attend our webinars online. Again, online na lang kahit nasa bahay ka, nasa work, part-time, pwede. But wait, there's more. My 4th way to earn pa, which is one of the most exciting parts of the iFern business system. Ano naman yon? Number 4 is the rewards and incentives. Paano naman yung rewards and incentives? When you reach a certain level in your organization and get promoted or you get to rank advance, which entitles you to a free luxury shopping as your rewards and incentives. Diba? Amazing talaga. Kumita ka na, may pa-shopping ka pa. For example, if one of your accounts out of 7 earns 150,000 pesos, you will rank advance to team builder position, which entitles you to 20,000 pesos luxury shopping incentive tax-free. Ibig sabihin, if all 7 accounts from your Premium Plus package earns 150,000 each, you will receive 20,000 incentives 7 times also. The next rank advance is the field manager position. When one of your accounts earns 474,000, you will be rewarded with 50,000 luxury shopping cash equivalent on top of it. Ganun ka-generous ang system ng iFern. Earn, 130 million to rank advanced to Ruby Presidential Director and get 7 million pesos rewards tax-free. And earn 320 million to rank advanced to Diamond Presidential Director and get 15 million pesos rewards and incentives tax-free. Grabe, di ba? Asan ka pa? Nag-income ka na, na-promote ka pa, may cash incentive pa, tax-free. Only in iFern. 5. We have the group sales rebates. Kikita ka ng 2 up to 5% rebate sa lahat ng products na bibilhin ng downlines mo, whether pambenta nila or panggamit. So just imagine if you have built a massive network of downlines, let's say 100,000 downlines within 3 to 5 years, and they simply purchase a bottle of Fern tea, 60 capsules per month, you could receive a 2% rebate at 430 pesos per bottle. You could earn 760,000 pesos in passive income per month. Wow, amazing. Number 6, last but not the least, you have the opportunity to qualify and earn a percentage of iFern's annual group sales. Kung ang number 5 may rebates ka from your downlines purchases, this time from the whole company's distributor base, kikita ka. So now you know kung bakit maraming nagbabago ang buhay, marami ang yumayaman literal dito sa iFern because of the beauty of our marketing plan. Basta masipag ka, may pangarap ka, at kaya mong sumunod sa napakagandang sistema, kayang baguhin ni iFern ang buhay mo. That's it for our revolutionary business advantage. Talk to the person who showed you this video and be iFern's next millionaire. Out of all the companies in this industry, only iFern can lead us to global prosperity. Congratulations, Pinakusog!
Yan. So, nandyan pa po ba kayo? Nandyan pa po ba kayo?
Yes.
Yes, type 2 nga
Yes
po kung
po.
talagang nandyan pa po kayo. Ayan, so maraming salamat po sa mga first-timers po sa RBA na ito. And sa ngayon, ngayong gabi, meron po pala tayong mag-share, no? Sa kanyang journey sa iFern. So ito, idol ko siya. Lodi, idol ko siya. Siya ay OFW for 16 years in Abu Dhabi. Dito po. So imagine, no? 16 years sa pagiging OFW. Pero kailan lang siya sumali dito sa iFern? Elite Toy Club member na po siya. Tapos, Jordan Club member pa. LV Luxury and Lifestyle Club member pa siya. Ito pa. Kasama na po siya sa Millionaires Club member. 'Di ba? Lodi talaga. Lodi talaga. Sobra. Sobrang dami ng kanyang naging achievement. Alamin natin, ilang years pa lang siya. Mukhang hindi pa yata siya umabot ng 2 taon, no? Millionaires Club na siya. So, wag ko nang patagalin. Without further ado, let's all welcome Upline Zai. Upline Zai!
Nakamute pa yun. Hi, fantastic morning! Hello sa
Fantastic morning to you.
260,000 na participants. Paki-type 7 nga po kung dinig ako. Thank you, Upline. Okay, I-share ko lang po yung naging journey ko sa iFern, kung bakit kailangan nyo ngayon mag-join sa iFern. Kasi ganito lang din ang setup nung nalatag sa akin ang iFern. Through Zoom din. Tandang-tanda ko pa yon. Actually, ginagawa ko lang si iFern as part-time. OFW pa rin ako ngayon, pero as of the moment, nakabakasyon ako sa Pinas. So ngayon, pinu-full-time ko siya habang nakabakasyon ako. So, okay lang po ba mag-share ako ng aking slide? Share ko lang.
Okay lang
Okay.
po.
Kita po ba? Kita po ba ang aking screen?
Di pa po.
Hindi pa.
Ayan, yan, upline. Ayun,
Okay.
nawala.
Saglit. Wait. Okay. Ayan, ang journey ko po. Currently, I'm a team builder. Magpa-field manager na po ako. Bakit ako nag-join sa iFern? Una, pinakilala sa akin ng aking upline. Nagpapasalamat ako ng malaki sa kanya. Si upline Gladys Corpus ang upline ko. So, at that moment, pinakita sa akin ng iFern, hindi ako nagdalawang isip na mag-join. After the presentation, kumuha agad ako ng Premium Plus package. After few nag-family package ako. And then after, parang corporate package, and then parang angkan package, corporate package, and parang intergalactic package. Kulang na lang. Palagay ko yung pangalan ng pusa at aso ng mga anak ko. Kasi talagang nakakabaliw si iFern. Kung ang sipag mo, ililipat mo lang kay iFern. Grabe, grabe ang ibibigay niyang blessing sa atin, lalo na sa ating family. And then, kailan ko lang ba ginagawa si iFern? Ginagawa ko si iFern kapag day off ako, or kapag after ng duty ko, which is ang duty ko is almost 14 hours. Na-duty ako sa COVID, kaya nung naranasan kong mag-duty sa COVID ward, doon ko na-realize is life is too short. Totoo naman. Kasi sa may kaedad ako na nung naka-duty ako one time sa isang maternity ward sa hospital na pinagtatrabahuhan ko. 23 years old kabayan, buntis. Namatay siya sa COVID. Good thing naman, ang baby niya nung time na yon is naka-survive. Pero siya hindi. So, sabi ko, gagawin ko si iFern hindi lang para sa akin. Gagawin ko si iFern para sa family ko, sa mga anak ko. Kasi may legacy si iFern. So, yan, nag-out of the box lang ako, nag-out of comfort zone ako, masipag ako. At kung hindi sa tinataas ko yung bangko ko na loyal din naman ako sa company ko because sa 27 years ko sa pagiging OFW, dalawang company pa lang ang naging employer ko. 11 years sa Pilipinas and 16 years sa Abu Dhabi. So, yan, yung husband ko din, OFW for 24 years, 2 years sa Saudi, and then 22 years sa Abu Dhabi. But sad to say, kahit anong loyal mo sa company mo, kahit anong sipag mo, darating yung time na kapag hindi ka na niya kailangan, kahit na yung performance mo is napakaganda, sasabihin na lang nila sa inyo, goodbye, we don't need your service. Ganyan ang nangyari sa asawa ko last year. But good thing, nag-iFern na ako. So ang sabi ko, nawala yata, hindi. Ang sabi ko, no need to work. So 17 months na siyang hindi nag-work. Si iFern lang ang nakapagsalba sa mga bills namin. So nung time na yon, ang reason ko ba't ko siya ginagawa is para sa mga anak ko, sa family ko. Siyempre, gusto ko na mag-for-good sa Pinas eh. Diba? Tapos, as an OFW, empleyado, hindi tayo forever na empleyado. Darating yung time, sa government kasi sa UAE, pag government employee ka, 60 years old, automatic, retired ka na. Wala ka na magagawa. Kahit pa, productive ka pa, magaling ka pa, darating yung time, 60 ka na, cancel na yung visa mo. So hindi ko na hihintayin yun kasi andito na si iFern naman eh. Si iFern naman talaga, kung ililipat mo lang yung effort mo, sulit na sulit talaga sa iFern. At hindi lang yun, may legacy pa rin tayo. May legacy tayo. Ito, nag-out of the box lang kami, nag-out of comfort zone kami kasi kapag day off, alam mo naman OFW, pasyal-pasyal, punta sa mga mall, shopping-shopping. Kaya nagustuhan ko kay iFern kasi yung pagsha-shopping mo libre. At nag-top distributor din naman ako. Nakita ko si iFern kung gaano siya kaganda nung last year na umuwi ako March 2022. Naka-attend ako ng Zizel. First time kong ginawa si iFern, hindi ko siya linya dahil healthcare workers ako. Hindi ko siya, never ako nag-network marketing. Nag-network, sumali man ako sa network company, user lang ako, hindi ako nag-network building. First time ko tong ginawa. At yan, last August lang to, last month actually, September Zizel, top distributor din ako. At thank God, Millionaires Club in iFern. Talagang totoo pala na may kitaan talaga sa iFern. Kasi ginagawa ko lang naman siyang part-time. So, kumita na ako ng more than 1 million sa iFern doing it part-time. And then, yun lang, hindi ko yan, ang tawag doon, hindi namin pinagyayabang yan kasi totoo namang nangyari. Kasi akala ko nung time na mag-join ako, hindi ako kikita. Akala ko, pero hindi. Kapag pala nagpatuloy-tuloy ka lang sa iFern, talagang kikita ka. At kapag may nauna sa iFern, talagang may kasunod yan. Ayan, shinare ko lang ang iFern sa family ko, sa kasama ko sa work, kaibigan ko, lahat ng KKK sa buhay mo, isali mo sa iFern. At ang pinakamaganda, mini-mentor tayo ng CEO. Walang ibang networking company sa Pilipinas na ang ordinaryong OFW, ordinaryong distributor, haharapin ni Sir Tom sa kanyang office, papapasukin niya at i-mentor niya. Kasi ang alam ko sa ibang networking company, yung mga top earner lang ang mga kinakausap ng may-ari. Ayan, no, last September lang din to nung pumunta kami sa office. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda kasi hindi to namin pinagyayabang kasi totoo namang nangyayari na libre ang mga Jordan shoes. Walang trabaho yung asawa ko pero shopping ng shopping, bili ng kung ano-ano. Tapos hindi sa pagyayabang, ang Louis Vuitton na to sa pera natin, 120,000 siya. Hindi ko yan bibilihin sa sahod ko, although mataas ang sahod ko, nag-iPhone pa rin ako kasi dito ko nakita na mabilis akong makakauwi sa Pinas. So sabi ko, kung bibili ako ng 8,000 dirhams na Louis Vuitton, kung nung hindi pa ako nag-iPhone, hindi ko yan bibilihin. Kasi kahit pa malaking sahod ko, kung hindi nyo pa na itatanong, na-duty ako sa anak ng presidente ng UAE. So kayang-kaya kong bilhin yan, kung tutuusin, pero hindi ko siya binili. Hindi ako bumili ng LV nung time na yon kasi ipang-i-invest ko na lang sa ibang bagay. Pero sa iPhone pala, your hard work talaga is generously rewarded. Ayan. At ang matindi nito, hindi mo gagawin na mag-isa si iFern. Meron tayong mga team na mga grand uplines, susuportahan tayo kahit saang lupalop ka pa ng mundo. Like now, wala ako sa bahay namin. Nasa ibang bahay ako, nagagawa ko si iFern. Yun ang maganda. At kasama mo pa yung asawa mo, yung habibi mo, di ba? O di ba? Ang ganda-ganda gawin ni iFern. So, kailan kayo dapat mag-join sa iFern? Now na. Kasi wag kang magpatumpik-tumpik dahil nung ako, kung hindi ko ginawa si iFern, hindi ko mararanasan to. Saya-saya lang talaga sa iFern. At ito ang sinasabi kong may legacy. Oh. Ito yung anak nung may-ari na si Pinky Nones, namatay siya. Mamaya papakita ko. Anak niya yan, 19 years old pa lang siya ngayon. Ito yung tito niya. Ito, yung family ko, yung 4 kong anak, nag-premium plus package ako, then nag-family package. Walang ginagawa yung mga anak ko, kumikita sila. Ganyan kaganda sa iFern. Ayun, i-share ko lang yung kanina na may legacy tayo. Mabilis lang. Bibilisan ko to, malapit na po tayong matapos. Dinig pa po ba ako? Type 7 po. Thank you. Pakita ko lang. Saglit lang. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, see up. Kita po ba? Parang mabagal. Oo, hindi ko makita. Okay. Ayan po si Upline Pinky Nones. Nag-join siya, actually, online seller siya. Single mom. Ginagawa niya si iFern noon, 2017. But sad to say, 2020, namatay po siya due to brain aneurysm. But since nagawa na niya yung iFern, na-build up na niya yung kanyang account, na ipamana po sa anak niya ang kanyang account. At ngayon po, never pong bumababa yung income ng anak niya sa less than 1 million. Laging 1 million per month. From November 1, 2020 up to this time, kumikita yung anak niya ng 1 million. At ang matindi nito, bumili yan ng Jaguar this year, worth 7 million. Nag-down payment po siya sa bangko ng 4 million at binank loan niya po yung 3 million. Eh di po ba sa bangko, 21 years old yung legal age na pwede kang mag-loan? But because of iFern na kinikita niya monthly na 1 million, ginrant po siya, inapprove po siya ng loan ng 3 million ng bangko. Dahil sa kita po ng bata na yan. 18 years old, ngayon po 19 years old na siya. At ito pa po ang isa, si Mr. Jose Salera, di ba po ba sa trabaho natin kung loyal ka pag at the end of your contract or pagtapos ka na, pag ang matatanggap mo lang is end of service. Pero dito sa iFern, si Mr. Jose Salera, nag-join siya last 2006 during Ferncy Day at naging iFern member siya. Ginrun din po siya ng 10 million lifetime pension package ni Sir Tomanitan. So walang ibang company, walang ibang network company na magbibigay ng ganyang kalaking halaga. So kahit may mangyari po kay Sir Salera, kay Mr. Jun Salera, pag namatay siya or may nawala siya, yung pag hindi pa ubos yung 10 million, ibibigay din po sa kanyang beneficiary. At bakit po kami gigil sa iFern? Kasi po, mag-o-open na po ang iFern Dubai. Kasi doon po kami nanggaling sa UAE. So, wag nyo na pong pag-isipan, gawin nyo na po si iFern at hindi po kayo magsisisi at hindi po kayo pababayaan nung nag-invite sa inyo. Basta makipag-coordinate po kayo after nitong RBA, mag-pay in na po kayo. Premium plus package, hindi nyo po pagsisisihan yan. Or kung hindi pa talaga kaya ng budget, basta mag-join po kayo. Huwag nyo pong palampasin yung araw na to na hindi kayo makakapag-join. Yun lang po, maraming salamat. At may ipakilala po ako na isang kaibigan ko na nagtiwala sa akin sa iFern. OFW din po siya. Actually, 22 years na po siya sa Abu Dhabi din. Ang work niya po is senior admin. Member na rin po siya ng Jordan and Hypebeast Club member. Currently, builder na po siya. And then, malapit na. Ilang na lang kembot. Team builder na po siya. Without further ado po, ipapakilala ko po sa isa sa nagtiwala sa akin. Isa sa mga tunay na kaibigan ko. Si Abigail Toquero.
Ayan.
Yes.
Ay,
Thank
fantastic
you.
morning. Hello, thank you, Zai. Thank you,
Walang
Apsay.
anuman.
Thank you, Paprio. Naririnig niyo po ako? Type 1
Yes
tayo
po.
kung naririnig po. Thank you. Ayan,
po.
sige. So, unang-una, maraming salamat sa oras ninyo dahil kung sino man ang nag-invite sa inyo, for sure, sobrang saya sila dahil pinagbigyan nyo sila dahil yung nag-invite sa inyo gusto nilang i-share kung gaano kaganda si iFern. At talagang sa nakikita nyo yung presentation, in-explain talaga kung gaano ang kitaan sa iFern, gaano kaganda si iFern, tsaka mafe-feel nyo sa mga nagsasalita yung excitement na mag-share about kay iFern kasi yun yung na-experience namin ngayon kumikita kami, healthy kami, nakakatulong kami sa iba. So, ang main reason bakit ako nag-join nung pinresento sa akin ni Apsay, sabi ko, ako 66.5 tsaka yung 28.5. Nag-decide ako, gusto ko yung 66.5. So, ang inuna ko munang na-join yung husband ko, pati yung panganay kong anak. So, along the way, after one day, may nag-text kaagad na may kita kaagad ako. So, sabi ko, ay, totoo si iFern. Kasi sa mga sinalihan ko before, not actually sinalihan din, is yung mga traditional business, pag may kausap ako, sige, usap tayo, business. After 1 year, parang walang nagtitext sa akin o pumapasok sa account ko. So, na-compare ko siya. Sa traditional business, ang dami nating kailangan planuhin, napakalaki ng risk. Kay iFern, kahit kinabukasan, kayang-kaya mong kumita. So, kay iFern, dalawa lang ang parang nakikita kong main goal. Unang-una, syempre, kumita. Pero along the way, mapapalitan yung mindset, lalo na kapag mayroon kayong mga kaibigan, kakilala na nagme-message sa inyo kung gaano ka-epektibo ang products ng iFern. So dahil doon, naging confident ako, talagang nung kumuha ako ng premium package, sabi ko kukuha uli ako. Take note ginamit ko lang yung credit card ko. So ibig sabihin, wala tayong maraming dahilan na hindi ko kaya. Kasi kapag nagja-jump tayo sa isang bagay na na gusto natin, lahat gagawa natin ng paraan. Huwag tayong magbibigay ng dahilan na hindi ko kaya, wala akong time. Lahat tayo may oras kung gugustuhin natin. So hanggang sa umabot yung kakagamit ko ng credit card ko as in family package. So kaming 5 na naka-family package, tinatrabaho ko ang iFern as part-time. Saturday and Sunday ang off ko. Talagang full, yung 2 days na yun ini-spend ko wisely. Kasi business natin to Sa isang business, kung gusto mong kumita, bigyan mo ng time at pagsikapan mo. Kay iFern, kung masipag ka, kikita ka. Sa traditional business, kung masipag ka at iaasa mo sa ibang tao, asahan mo hindi kayo pare-pareho ng mindset, hindi magbibigay ng magandang business ang traditional business. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi maganda ang traditional business. Pero in comparison, unless marami ka talagang pondo na para makasurvive ka sa traditional business mo, sige lang. Pero kay iFern, lahat ipo-provide nila. Internet lang ang kailangan mo, confident ang kailangan mo, dedication, lahat ng goal, lahat ng sikap mo kay iFern, mararating mo. So, ano bang ma-advise ko bakit ako nag-join kay iFern is, sa iFern natitrain natin ang family natin, ang mga anak natin paano mag-business. Huwag natin ilagay ang mindset na anak, mag-aral ka para makapasok ka sa magandang company. Yan ang sinabi ni Sir Tomanitan. Ang mindset dapat ng mga Pilipino is anak, mag-aral ka para magkaroon ka ng sariling business. So yung mga anak ko, grateful ako na mumulat na sila sa business world. So isang advantage po yan. Saka being OFW, sa isang OFW, yung mga OFW po sa atin, pag-isipan nyo po, kapag bukas, sa Monday, pagpasok nyo, bibigyan kayo ng termination letter, ano ang mararamdaman ninyo? Magsisisi tayo sa huli na sana nag-backup plan ako na gaya ng iFern. Umuwi man tayo sa Pinas, meron tayong backup plan. Hindi man malaki, same na malaki ang kinikita mo kaagad kay iFern, kung magsisipag ka, kayang pantayan ko anong kinikita nyo ngayon sa as being OFW. Ayun po, tapos inform ko lang po kayo, nag-join po ako nung June 29, 2023. Tapos nung 31st August, top distributor po ako. Ibig sabihin, tinrabaho ko po siyang mabuti, umabot po ng 120,000 yung kinita ko. Kaya po naging part po ako ng iFern Top Distributor, which is possible po yun. Huwag po nating sasabihin na walang magjo-join sa Pilipinas. Honestly speaking, bilangin niyo po lahat ng members ko, siguro 80% lahat galing sa Pilipinas. Kaya wag po kayong mag-iisip na walang pera ang mga Pilipino. Kung gusto nilang yumaman, gusto nilang kumita, gagawan po nila yan ng paraan. So doon ko po talaga na-realize na wag po nating iisipin na hindi natin kaya. Nasa atin po ang sagot. Binibigay na ni iFern ng opportunity, wag na nating palampasin. So as of today, share ko lang po sa inyo. So as of today, kumita na po yung account ko ng 198,000. So hindi pa po kasama yung sa husband ko, tsaka yung sa mga bata. So yun lang po, pasensya na po kayo. Kasi talagang sa iFern kasi talaga pong walang pinipili. Lahat po kami tinitrain po dahil gusto ituruan ni iFern na from the heart, i-share po namin yung experience namin para malaman ninyo kung gaano kaganda kay iFern. Kaya wag po kayong magdadalawang isip after po nitong pagpupulong natin is i-approach nyo po yung nag-invite sa inyo. Dahil for sure, hindi po niya kayo iiwanan during pag-uusap ninyo. Totoo po sa kay iFern, hindi po kayo iiwanan. Isang team po tayo, magsasawa po kayo sa training kay iFern. Kayo na po ang susuko dahil sa sobrang dami. Sumunod lang kayo sa sistema ni iFern, sigurado po lahat tayo magkikita-kita ng mas matagal at mas maraming milyones. Thank you so much. Salamat po sa time ninyo.
Picture yung mga speaker. Mary, picture na
Thank you.
speakers.
Goodbye sa inyo. Ano tayo?
Mine. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations.
Thank
Galing,
you.
galing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
Thank
sa
you very
mga
Enjoy the day.
Mag-join na kayo, wag na kayo
Yes.
magpatumpik-tumpik.
Pag may questions, ask your sponsors.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
God bless.
Thank you.
Thank you.
At Gladys, lalabas ba kami? O magmamam tayo? Ay, lumabas na rin siya. Gladys, Abby, yung kausap mo, andyan ba siya? Sabihin mo wag lumabas. Kausapin natin.
Pwede na nating i-out yung iba.
Oo, yung iba.
Si Ma'am Agnes, tsaka si Tita Tess.
Lumabas yata?
Message na lang natin, out muna, out ko muna. Paano ba natin sila i-out?
Hindi tayo, remove. I-remove ko, no?
Oo.